In this section, you're going to be finding the system for, finding the graph for a system of inequalities. And because it's multiple choice, that will be very helpful. I'm going to show you how to use the multiple choice to help you narrow the responses down. So a couple of reminders you might need to remember is that if you look at the inequality symbol, first of all, if there is no equal sign underneath that inequality symbol, so like this one, for example, has a line underneath it, which implies equal to, remember that that is going to be a solid line. Whereas this example up here that doesn't have an equal to sign, the line will be made with a dotted line. So let's start with that first. So since I'm going to look, I need a graph that has one solid and one dotted line. So I know it can't be B because in B, both of those are solid lines. Then the next thing I need to look for, or what I'm going to look for to help narrow it down a little bit, is the fact that both of these slopes are positive. So that means I'm looking for two lines that are both increasing, and they're actually increasing at the same rate because they're the same slope, which means they're going to be parallel lines. So for a couple of reasons, that means that A is not going to be correct. So A won't be correct because this one right here is a negative slope, and we need both of them to be a positive slope. For the same reason, both of these are negative slopes, so it can't be that one either. So C appears to have what we're looking for, where you have one dotted and one solid, and the two lines are parallel. But now let's just talk about the shading, just to make sure we remember that as well. So in both cases, the little, for lack of a better term, your little alligator is eating the Y, right? So that means that the Y is bigger, the Y values are larger than those in the line, and the big numbers on the y-axis are up. So in both of these cases, because the y is being eaten, that means that I need to shade up. So let's make sure that that part matches what we believe is going to work as well. So in both cases, we're going to shade above the line. So this one will be shaded above, and that one will also be shaded above. And yep, sure enough, the area where both the green and the yellow overlaps will be that shaded, that darkly shaded region right there. So the answer is going to be C.